Well, the lights are off. Oh, here, come here. We're staying up here because it'd be too dangerous to be downstairs with the panic and chaos. Lights go off. Lights go off.
Very little wind right now. Alright, I think I'm out.
Looks like a cloud. Well, Zach, I think you're right, buddy. It is a cloud. Little buddy. I thought there were fingers.
That one right there. Probably gonna die out before it gets to us.
That one?
It's not looking good.
Look at all that traffic.
Most of these people are just going down the road.
Well, that's what I thought.
Why do we need a place to just go?
Alright. Get in the car, girls.
Here we go. That's the triangle of this tornado warning. And we are, oh, we're in that uptown, we're in that little uptown right there. An airplane. Because, oh, wow! Holy Toledo! Okay, I'm backing up just a little bit.
Happened, but yeah, we're definitely not the age of tornadoes anymore. Man, there's nothing. Lightning going on in these clouds. You wouldn't believe. There's a rainbow right there. So we should be okay. We got a rainbow all the way across.
This is Broken Bow Lake in Beaver State Park. Flooded, like super flooded. Crazy.